Hi everyone, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you one of the biggest sites to help you learn Power BI for free. It is called Enterprise DNA. Now let me show you those courses available for free for you. I mean 100% free. So we have these four groups of courses available just for free for you to start up with. Now let us look at what we have right here. We have this ultimate beginner guide to Power BI where you learn what you need to know about Power BI, and as well ultimate beginner guide to DAX where you learn what you need to know about DAX before you get more advanced. And when you get here, you're going to be using advanced DAX and Power BI techniques to actually solve problems using this advanced analytic in Power BI. And as well, we have this business analytics series. Let me show you the one I've actually opened and see what we actually have right there. Now I have this ultimate beginner, advanced analytic in Power BI opened right here, which is this. So when you open this, what you're gonna have? You're gonna have this little dashboard that's gonna actually be showing your progress, how many of the videos you've watched, and all of that. Now what you see here is actually the courses available. Every single video available is what you're seeing right here. So once you click on either of them, you're gonna have something like this. Let me tell you what is actually a very big wonder in this. It's actually you having access to the dataset used in actually illustrating to you what you need to know. And as well, you have access to download the video to your system, which means you can watch this offline. I hope this helps. If this actually helps you, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel as I'll be making a lot of videos that shows you how to get things for free. Now you can go through the website to see what you can actually learn from the website and actually how you can actually take advantage of this. And paid courses, you have so many of it right here. You can see how much you have this, and they have live pay membership, which is they have live pay membership that you can actually take advantage of, which is $497. So you have 29 courses bundled right here. So you can go through all this and see all for yourself. So I'm going to be giving you a link to actually come to this site and take a tour of it. So now you can actually start avail yourself a very huge opportunity to actually learn something about this. It's going to take you far from being somebody who doesn't know anything about Power BI to intermediary and down to advanced. And if you think to actually proceed more to learn more about Power BI, this is when you have to avail yourself the opportunity to actually come and pick a course right here. So thank you very much for watching. I wish you subscribe to my YouTube channel